Hi everyone, so here is COMERA Calling app. So here, let's just take a look. So you just can search for COMERA, secure video calls and chats. This app is getting some tractions in networking. COMERA is a free messaging app that allows you to talk to your friends and family via one-to-one chats, voice calls, video calls through connectivity over mobile data or Wi-Fi. It also enables you to connect through group chats and lets you share photos, videos, documents, locations, and a whole lot more. So here you just get free calls and messages, no limitations on the messages and calls, including audio and video calls placed internationally. Group chats, no ads, safe and secure, talk anywhere, quick and secure access, contact syncing, share multimedia. So yeah, that's just what it is. And then you just have this app. You can ask access to your account. You can just create your account. That's basically how it works. You can give access to your microphone and camera, and there you have it. So now you just created the app account. So now you can just create calls here. You can invite contacts. You can add a new contact. You can just create call link. Then there are a lot of apps and chats, and then you can again invite contacts, start messages, your favorite messages. Here's your account, which you can basically also delete. Also, you can just invite friends. There is no referral codes, there are no invitations, so that's just what it is. And then you have your chat. And then there's just, here it is. And then you have chats and then group calls. So in a nutshell, that's just how the app looks like.